Hello, awesome people. I was talking with one of my mentors, some days ago, and he said, what is the plan? Like, what's the end goal for everything you're doing now? Like, what do you hope to achieve at the end? And I was thinking about it, and I'm like, that's true. Let it always be that whatever actions or decisions that you're making right now is going to lead towards where you're going. But guess what? That's not the video for today. The plan for today is to teach you how to use the ForeFlight app to insert maps when you are flying. And just in case you don't know about that, sit tight and let us begin.
Number 2 Lima Victor, crossway 16 right at Charlie, hold shortway 16 left.
So hi guys, let me quickly show you how you can insert your map. Just like I always say, make sure you don't have anything showing here. That means you have lots of downloads to do. Mine is currently downloading, but I can just show you without the while it's downloading. So if you have Abuja, if you're going from Lagos to Abuja, so we have Lagos here and we're going Lagos to Abuja. What we can easily do is to click on, if you want to click on Lagos, you click on Lagos. If this data has expired, it's still loading, and you just come here and procedures. For instance, you're looking for an approach procedure, you go to approach, and what I usually do before was that I'll go to approach and I'll come here RNAV, and when I click on RNAV, then from here I will go and insert map. So this is send map. You can either print, you can decide to print and to bring up printers and all, but that's not what we want to do. You can now send to map. So when you send to map, it's going to come here. When you're flying from, this is Lagos to Abuja, but let's say we are going from Abuja to Lagos, you're going to have it on the map here. Then you can decide to set points here, but this is not a faster way of doing it. So I want to show you a faster way. This is the way I do it before, but now ForeFlight is getting more advanced every day, and you can easily toggle things, especially when you have a more recent device. So this is what I do instead. This is what you can do instead. Let's use another airport. So let's use Abuja. I click on Abuja. You have everything here. You can decide to do direct to, remove routes. You can decide to do a full screen and even go more. You check everything, but that's not what we want. So we want to insert that map. So we go to procedures, and when we go to procedures, we go to approach. You can see all the approaches. So let's say you want to go RNAV. Instead of clicking on this, which will take you to this point, you close. Instead, go to this, just click on it here, and it brings it straight up into your flight path. You don't have to go click on it, then you come here, then you click here and go to map. You see how many things you had to toggle to get there. So you just go, let's say we want CAT 2 view RDME ILS runway 04. I can just come here, click on it, and it's going to appear here. So we have the CAT 2 view RDME ILS runway 04. So these are the things you need to always watch out for when you are flying, right? So guys, I hope you learned one or two things from this. If you want to reverse this, you go over, you're going from Abuja, you're now going from Abuja to Lagos. You can go reverse it and you're going from Lagos to Abuja. Whichever one you want, you can switch it whichever way. But how to just bring your map, instead of clicking on the map, it's the approach chart itself, don't forget, close, come here and click on the map itself, and it brings it straight up. So let's do one more. Let's add Port Harcourt, DNPO, enter. When we add Port Harcourt, what's it going to do? It's going to add a leg. So this is the Port Harcourt leg. So we click on Port Harcourt, and how many left to download? Let me just check that. Okay, I have a few left to download. So just click on Port Harcourt. I go to the procedures, or even if I want to bring out the airport chart, let's not do the procedure now. Let's just get the airport chart. Don't forget, instead of clicking on the airport and brings you to this, what you're going to do instead is that you are going to click on this, and it brings it right there. So you know where you are in the airport and how to maneuver your way around the airport. So I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Till we see again on the same channel. Keep watching Princess Anu TV. Bye.